What a mesmerizing performance indeed by Standard 1.
So, Serene, what do you think it's the weather tonight? Isn't it chilly?
No, it's quite warm, Yukta, I feel. Warm with the feeling of joy, enthusiasm, and excitement.
So, audience, how's the Josh? Let it be up for some time. We are heading towards our last performance.
अब समय आ गया है इस खूबसूरत शाम के आखिरी और सबसे धमाकेदार परफॉर्मेंस का. Brace yourself for an extravaganza of rhythm and grace as the students of Standard 7 are ready to set the stage on fire. पर Standard 7 के बच्चे तभी आएंगे जब आप उनके लिए ढेर सारी तालियां बजाएंगे.
Good evening to one and all present here. Today, we, the students of the 7th grade, are going to perform a musical skit on the evolution of medicine. We are going to learn about the applications of medicine in Stone Age, medieval period, and the modern age. Do you know why are we here today?
Yes, we are going to showcase the evolution of medicine.
Oh, cool. How did medicine start?
Well, it began with ancient herbal remedies. People didn't really understand why they worked though.
Right, and then the Hippocrates came along. He said diseases were caused by pollution, not because of gods. And now we have modern treatments, vaccines, and even gene therapy. Medicine is truly useful to us.
Yes, medicine has been evolving from the ancient age till date. I'm so excited to watch this musical skit and see how everything unfolds.
Let's sit back and enjoy the skit.
Scene 1. Doctor is talking to a patient and her mother, telling her about the evolution of the medicine.
Do you know how far we have come with the development of medicines?
No, doctor. Can you tell us?
Okay, let's travel back in time to know more.
Let's dive deeper into the Stone Age, a time when medicine was deeply intertwined with superstition and belief in the supernatural. Caveman comes with a broken leg.
Ah! I can't walk! Can you help me? My leg hurts! Fear not, my friend. I shall perform a ritual to drive away the evil spirits that has cursed you.
Evil spirits? You think they did this to him?
Yes, when someone is hurt, it's often because the spirits are angry. We must appease them. Spirits of the forest, hear my plea. Release these men from their agony. Spirits of the forest, hear my plea. Release these men from their agony.
We should apply clay on the wounded part. It will help the wound heal faster and it will protect him. Only shaman knows how to prepare them.
This treatment will heal you. But remember, you must also offer a gift to the spirits. Perhaps some of your food. I will do it. I just want to feel better. In the Stone Age, many believed that illness was a punishment from spirits or a result of supernatural forces. People relied on rituals, chants, and offerings to heal their ailments. Thank you, shaman. I feel strong now. It's the power of the spirits. Remember, always respect them, and you shall remain healthy. And so, the Stone Age people relied on these beliefs to navigate their health, laying the groundwork for future medical practices.
shifts to the next era, that is, Indian medieval era.
Charakya was a great physician. The villagers always used to seek his help for any mysterious illness.
What troubles you, my friend?
Acharya Charakya, my daughter has been plagued by a persistent fever and aches that no one seems to cure.
Let me see. I sense an imbalance in your dosha. Fear not, for Ayurveda shall guide us towards healing.
Acharya Charakya, here are your herbs.
Keep it here.
The villager drinks the remedy and gradually her condition improves. Patient visits after a few days.
Master Charakya, the fever has subsided and my daughter's aches have lessened.
Your health is the greatest reward. Remember, harmony within oneself is the key to well-being. Follow a balanced diet. Embrace nature.
Students, it's bedtime. Please go to your beds.
चंगा, अरे नंगा 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 कर डाला, नंगा नंगा कर डाला ये संसार। अरे चक्कर जाम हुआ है सारे राहों कार बंधु, एक मंजिल पाने को निकला है ये संसार।
Scene 3. Scene shifts to the modern period.
You know, child, modern medicine has a fascinating history. Long time ago, people used herbs, plants, and even magic spells to heal themselves. It was a lot of trial and error.
That sounds strange.
Yes, but over the time, people learned more about how the body works and what makes us sick. They discovered that certain substances could help fight diseases. This led to the development of modern medicine.
Operation theatre is set. A patient with appendicitis is brought to OT.
Alright, team. Let's make sure we are all on the same page. Are the patient's vitals stable?
Yes, doctor. IV fluids are at the correct rate.
Alright. The appendix is in view. Let's clamp and secure it. Let's close up. Nurse, please pass me the sutures. Great. Let's wrap it up and then we will send the patient to recovery. Good work, team. The operation was successful. Let's make sure we update the charts and monitor the patient. The operation went very well and everything looks great. She is on the road to recovery.
Thank you so much, doctor. I feel relieved by hearing this.
मम्मा कितने दिन हो गए? आज आप घर आओगे ना?
हाँ बेटा। बेटा, रोज न्यूज़ में डॉक्टरों के बारे में देखकर अब डर लगता है। तुम ठीक तो हो ना?
हाँ माँ।
नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए, जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए। हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से जाने वतन सा चांद बुझे, हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे।
इस कोरोना के डर से लोग सिर्फ एक टच से घबराते हैं।
हम डॉक्टर्स हैं, रोज मौत से हाथ मिलाकर आते हैं।
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
अस्पताल में लोग इस बीमारी से अकेले लड़ते वक्त
अपने परिवार का साथ चाहते हैं,
पर ऐसे हालातों में हम ही हैं उनके डॉक्टर, हम ही उनका परिवार, हम ही उनकी हिम्मत
और हम ही उनकी उम्मीद।
मजबूर हुई जब दिल की दुआ तो हमने दवा से काम लिया, वो नब्ज नहीं फिर थमने दी जिस नब्ज को हमने थाम लिया। बीमार है जो किस धर्म का है हमसे न कभी ये भेद हुआ, सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ।
जवान अपनी जान की बाजी लगाकर सरहद की सीमा रेखा की रक्षा कर रहे हैं।
लेकिन भारत की जीवन रेखा की जिम्मेदारी
अब हमारे हाथ है।
The medicine continues to evolve. Scientists are always finding new ways to help people heal. So, when you take your medicine, you are part of that journey of healing. I'm sure more than Neolithic and medieval age, modern age needs more treatment. Today, people at a very young age have various diseases. It's time for us to take care of our health because health is wealth.